to thank all members who accompanied me. This has not been a simple journey. The last election was with a lot of ups and downs. And actually we stood firm that that election we won. That election was rigged, but we kept quiet. We did a study for 4 years. We have found out all those who are responsible for messing our last election. But God will punish them. Now for this morning, we are here to begin from where we stopped. The legislative agenda of Northern Uganda has never been responded to. The Northern question has remained the Northern question. The legislators who went to Parliament, to date, I tell you, there is no trace of a legislative impact. And that is why before the president are always confused. They do not know the priorities of issues that we should deal with in terms of laws. And that is why I've been compelled by our people in Northern Uganda, please go back and accomplish the bills you left. None was touched. They are the way I left. The National Legal Aid Bill that supports the poor and the victims, you know, the issues of the transitional justice agenda is not touched. The issues of the reparation is not touched, and many other components. Right now, we are even adding more. The digital bills, the digital rights. I think as journalists, you know that this is a very big issue that concerns most of you. We need a digital rights law in this parliament, the next parliament. And therefore, in terms of competency, I think I deserve to do it. I'm a workaholic. I'm a senior researcher in this country. I've toured the whole of this country, and we have written everything about Uganda. It is the best time to be a legislator, to do the jigsaw fitting of all these issues that are just hanging. So what is now left? What is now left, if you can see, Northern Uganda remains bleeding. The victims are all there. Understand there are a few of our friends who are actually planning to even parade them before the president. That is not acceptable. We need to sort out their issues legally. So in summary, it is the software that we need to deal with.